It's a new olive oil that has Spanish roots dating back to the 1950s. Fernando Ortega is here to share 2 Spanish-inspired recipes you can make at home. Thank you so much for being here. Let's look at the lovely dishes on the table. We kind of touched on this a few minutes ago, the healthy breakfast. Tell folks what's in it.
Yeah, this is a very typical Spanish breakfast when we use extra virgin olive oil with toast bread, and we put inside, we can put inside or tomato or even avocado or honey. It's a very healthy breakfast in the morning. Healthy breakfast in the morning.
And if you could hand it to me, because I'm going to have Mike try and taste it, but you put on the olive oil as well, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh,
there you go.
Tasty. Okay, so you're going to put olive oil on there.
Yeah.
There we go.
And I just love olive oil. And it's really good for you,
It has really great benefits, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's the main ingredient from the Mediterranean diet. And the main thing is the antioxidant is very natural antioxidant, and it's very good for prevent many diseases.
So it's just overall a really good, a good go-to, right?
Exactly.
When you make a dish, which is why it is kind of the go-to in Spain. They use a lot of olive oil as well as in the Mediterranean,
exactly.
Right?
We use for everything in Spain.
Okay. Now this dish right here, is this typically breakfast, lunch? What is this?
You can use you can eat or lunch or dinner. It's very healthy also and cheaper. It's very important to remind to the people that to eat healthy is very cheap.
I love that.
Yeah, exactly. That asparagus cost me only $2.50. $2.50. Yeah, then it's very cheap. Then we will use or we will make a revuelto de espárragos. Revuelto de espárragos.
Okay, all right.
And what I was going to say, that's delicious. I would have never have thought of putting olive oil and honey together.
Honey, yes.
And that's the gluten-free honey.
It is Texas honey. It's
Texas honey, gluten-free. And the breakfast, because it's healthy, because in Spain they eat dinner so late. I mean, I've been there and it's 9:30, 10 o'clock. I mean, you're having dinner.
Yeah, exactly.
I love that.
Because we love to enjoy the food, and obviously the time when we do spend around the table is very important. Right. Even for the relationship with us and with the food.
With the food?
Yes,
you want to take your time, get to know it. Are you getting to know it over there?
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Wonderful.
All right, so what have we got here? What do we do first?
And this is very simple, easy to make because it's extra virgin olive oil. We will use green or fresh asparagus.
Okay. So
garlic.
Put that on there?
Yes, garlic and shrimp.
There we go. Get
and
that
here,
going.
yeah, exactly. When we fry we need to wait a little bit.
We'll let that go. But ILOVEACEITE hosts secret dinners around town.
Yes.
What are these secret dinners?
Well, secret dinner. It's a secret dinner. Well,
that's a secret.
It's a secret.
Well, it's a event that we used to do every single 2 months with the objective to share our Mediterranean food culture and how is our relationship with the food. And even the most important thing is no rush. Because when you're eating here in the restaurant, every people says, "Do we want the check? Rush.
Right. Turn over.
No. I need my time because I need my time to eat, to take delight, all the flavor with the food, to enjoy my conversation with my friends.
Enjoy the food and enjoy the company and put your phones away.
Exactly. We never use, the main thing is in our secret dinner, we never use the phones.
Okay.
And you can see here is a very typical Mediterranean diet. Fruit, vegetables, some olive oil, shrimp, honey, and we are missing wine. It's very important for us also wine.
Oh, I mean,
yes.
That's top of our list too, right? They're in the top 5, right? I know, we're looking around for wine. Where can folks find the olive oil?
The olive oil now you can buy online in www.iloveaceite.us.
.us.
Aceite is olive oil in Spanish.
Oh, there we go.
Yes. Then,
are there paella parties also?
Yes, we cut a paella because it's another way to share our Mediterranean food culture with the people, and I think that the people love it. The real flavor of the food of Spain.
Love it, right? Okay, well, for more information on those secret dinners and paella parties and more on ILOVEACEITE, just head to our website, salive.com, and click on the As Seen on SA Live tab. We'll have these recipes on there as well.